Today on Mom to Mom, we are creating a festive summer treat that looks like fruit. Today we are creating watermelon pudding cups. If you've got a party that's happening or your kids just love a fun festive treat, this is super fun, cute, and it's yummy too. So what you're gonna need to make these watermelon pudding cups is some watermelon jello. Then you're gonna need some pudding mix, instant pudding mix. I like the coconut flavor the best. It just goes better with the watermelon. But all I have today is the white chocolate, but still you can't go wrong with white chocolate. Then you're gonna need some mini chocolate chips, some watermelon fruit candy, and then of course clear cups and pink food coloring. So you wanna make the jello ahead of time and go ahead and put that in your cups, let it sit for about 6 hours. Once that's settled, then you wanna make your pudding. So you're gonna make the pudding according to the box. Then you're gonna put in your food coloring as well. Then you can pour that pudding on top of the jello, then top it with your mini chocolate chips and your watermelon. You have this cute summer festive treat that your kids will absolutely love. If you have any wonderful ideas, please share it with us. I would love to feature that on Mom to Mom, and we'll see you on the next Mom to Mom.